Hello everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete TikTok account. Perhaps you've spent far too much time on TikTok and you want to get rid of that habit or whatever your reason is. In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how to get rid of TikTok. Watch the video till the very end to learn how. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Grab your device and go tap open your TikTok application. As soon as you reach to the home page of TikTok, simply tap on the Me icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. On your profile page, tap on the three dots located at the top right. Go to Manage Account under the Account section and tap on it. On the next page, under Account Control, you'll see Delete Account option. Tap on Delete Account to delete your TikTok. For verification purpose, to know that it is you who's deleting the account, you'll need to enter your password for your TikTok. Tap on the Continue button after entering the password. Just go through the information once and tap on Delete Account. To confirm delete, tap on Delete. And as you can see that my account has been deleted permanently. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback. I'll see you soon with another tutorial episode. Till then, goodbye.